My people, MC Oluomo don collect blessing on top of say pasuma wey be say mother die wey they don bury am na so move the afar wey dey there just call am one side begin to shower am blessing. Make we watch this video. Don't forget if you never follow us wetin dey wait for now. Click on the subscription bell make you dey also dey hear us when we upload new videos. My people, make una watch as MC Oluomo take collect blessing from afar during the burial ceremony of pasuma mother wey just die. So my people, make we watch. Alright my people, thank you for watching that short clip from this channel. We'd love to see you on our next one. If you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get more notification when we upload new videos. We will also like you if you find the video on this channel always informative. Do well to watch, like and share them as much as possible. Maybe people who are supposed to see them, maybe they see them because you feel life for your hand. Maybe say people who are supposed to see them now, you be their savior where they need to see them. Do it to share them as long as possible, as many as possible. Because they share them. As I know, saying that this channel will bring them the latest and trending news as they happen. Now will they bring them, especially for Nigeria. As I know now, make no forget. Click on the notification bell. Follow us for more, and let's say your opinion in the comment section because your opinion will be waiting. They paramount and they hot. They bring you. See you on our next one. Bye for now.